Hello, this is Byron, and a lot of companies are giving you. I'm not going to say false information, but they're giving you information where they want to get your money. I I just want to show you exactly what to do when you get your online brokerage company, when you decide which one you want, when you invest your hard-earned money in there, what to do before you make your stock purchase. And that should be your main objective. How do you decide what stock to buy? Because that's your hard-earned money. And I'm going to take you inside the stock market right here, while it's trading right now at this present time, to show you what to look for and what you're going to be facing when it comes to you investing your money in the stock market. Most companies won't do this. They just make you false promises. They say they're going to do this for you and that for you. The stock, there's no 100% way to know when a stock is going up. I don't care what anyone say. They can project things, they can speculate, they can guess when the stock might go up, like long term. Some people got the ability to pretty much not do that, but pretty much know the direction the stock is going. There are some professionals out there, but that's it's four different ways to buy stock. Long term, short term. You could be a dividend buyer. Just buy stocks because it has a dividend payout, or a speculator. Somebody just buy a ETF or index fund. That's a safe stock, but you're not going to make a lot of money that way. The way I do it, I make a lot of money, or I can make a lot of money, because I'm a short-term investor. I buy stocks one day, and when it goes up, I look for all the evidence of it going up, and then I purchase the stock. And that's the way I could teach you if you want to make money quickly. I can teach you that. I'm not going to make you no false accusations or false promises or anything like that, because you never know when a stock is going to go up and down. I got to be honest with you. You never know. But the way I do it, 99% of the time, I am correct when the stock goes up, because timing is everything. Buy low, sell high is everything. And don't get greedy. If you live off of those three philosophies when it comes to stock, you will be successful. Those three. Don't break those rules, period. Now let's go to the screen, and I'm going to try to help you out. I'm going to take you inside the stock market to show you what you're going to be facing. And this is important when you make your first stock purchase. Stay with me. Okay, we're inside the stock market. Today is December 10th, 2:35. We have 25 more minutes of stock trading. The Dow Jones is down 115 points. NASDAQ is down too, and the S&P is down. So red means down, yellow is okay, and green is good. Okay, the stock we're going to look at is this stock right here. I can't pronounce the name, but every stock has a symbol. This symbol is QURE. You can check it on Google and double check what I'm saying. If you look at the average volume, these are things you want to look at before you make your first purchase. If you look at the average volume, the 10-day volume, there it go. But look at it today. It's rolling today. It tripled, quadrupled. That's why the stock is up so high, because a lot of people are investing in it. And this is the history of the stock. This is 1 year right here. We're looking at. You can look at 1 day, 5 day. You could check out all this stuff before you make your first purchase. But why did it go up so high? Let's look at the news. This is the news down here. Give me 1 second. Let me scroll it up. The news. Let me scroll it up. Stay with me. There we go right there. Okay, today's the 10th. Like I said, December 10th right there. Now, this is important. I need you to watch my videos, because I'm teaching you what to look for before you make your first purchase. This stock, Wells Fargo, upgrades this stock to overweight. Overweight is good, from equal weight. Equal weight is okay, to $35 price target. That's just one of news. There's a lot of news on it. Look at all the news for that day and the day before you make your first purchase. Okay, before you buy your first stock. Okay, it's at $15.80 a share. Wells Fargo, what did I say? They projected this price to go up to 35. These are professional analysts projecting this dollar amount. It's a strong buy. Remember I said green is good? Green is good. Okay. On 12/8, it was bad. Red is bad. That's on 12/8. You got to look at the dates on these analysts, the analyst research. Look at the dates on it. Those are some things you want to look at. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit more. Let's keep scrolling down. It's bullish. Bullish is great. Bearish is not good. Bullish, if you get a bullish of 80%, that's good. But this bullish is 100%. Those are some you look at. It's bullish, and they said it's going. The price target went up to 35, and a couple of more, price target maintained at 25. All this good news right here. Most likely, this stock might still go up. But one thing you got to watch out for. Another thing you have to watch out for. Bear with me. I'm just trying to teach you what to look for. I don't have a lot of different, pictures and stuff. The Dow Jones. Don't forget, $131 down. If that Dow Jones go down tomorrow, some stocks they say is no matter what the Dow Jones do, it's going to keep going up. This stock might keep going up for a while, but the Dow Jones can take it down. Take all of that into consideration. Okay, let's look at the analyst research again. Let's go deeper into it where it says more analyst research. These are things you want to look at before you buy a stock. Here we go. More analyst research, and the screen is about to change. Change screen. 1 second. Okay, it's about to change now. Okay, give it 1 second. There we go. It changed. Okay, I have a slow computer. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go right here. Analyst price targets, 33.17. Remember, it's at 15.38. So most likely the analysts are saying this stock is going to keep going up. But keep an eye on that every day on a day-to-day basis. Watch all the news on it. These are different analysts saying the stock will go up to a price target 58 on 12/10. This he didn't make a dollar amount for this one. This one, Raymond Jones says it's going to go up to 52, etc., etc. These are things you want to look at before you make your first purchase. Okay, let's take it back to the top. Okay, now, one thing you can find out what stocks are going up by go to U.S. market right here. See this right here, U.S. market. I went to U.S. market. I'm going to click on that. This is just another suggestion of how to find out what's a good stock and what's not. Give me 1 second here. Okay, I clicked on it. Okay, now it's going to go to market movers. Ooh, I hit the screen too hard. It's going to go to market movers right here. Okay, bear with me. Market movers. Okay, follow me. Stay with me. Okay, I'm going to click on market movers. Bam. Okay, now I got a bunch of different stocks in here. Stocks is really doing a lot of volume here. Now, these are gainers. I'm going to go to volume. No, that's gainers. See, actives and gainers, I'm going to go to actives. These are things you want to find out before you make your first purchase again. Okay, these stocks. The top stock is, I can't pronounce some of these names. That's a symbol right there. Last price is $6.50. It's up $2.03. The volume is 227 million. 227 million. That's why this stock has went up. The volume is very important. Go to market movers and find out what stock is doing a lot of volume, because all these stocks that do a lot of volume, most of them goes up, some of them goes down. Now let's go to percent gainers here. That's the next page. Percent gainers. Okay. The number one stock is the stock I told you about. Then I think it's Uniquire NV. Okay. QURE. You can Google this symbol if you want to see what was the closing price at the end of today. $15.57 the last price, up $8.27. Now I'm gonna come off the screen. These are certain things you look at, and every day I'm gonna try to give you more things to watch before you make your first purchase, because this is your hard-earned money, and I don't want no other stock companies making you false promises. One more thing, I want to look at sectors, sectors and industries, because people are familiar with different sectors in their life, like retail and stuff like that. You got technology, you got real estate, you got healthcare, you got etc. You got, keep it going, basic materials, financials, industries, all this stuff. You can, if you're familiar with a certain sector, you might want to look into that sector a little bit more. Now let's go back to me here. I want to talk. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to elaborate on what I was saying about the most important thing to you should be knowing how to pick a certain stock, what to look for and what not to look for. Like I said, a lot of stock companies don't take you inside the market itself as it's trading. That's what I'm trying to do, to show you what you're facing and what to invest your money in, not a particular stock, but how to look for symbols to show if the stock is going to go up. But you still have to follow my 3 criterias. You have to, and this is important. I'm getting closer to the screen. Do not get greedy. Do not. Well, it's 4 things really. That's why I had to think. Do not get greedy, and have yourself a goal too. Having yourself a goal is important too. You always want to, like if it's a $45 a share and you want to sell it at $50 a share, sell it. Do not get greedy. Do not try to go above that 50, because stock market goes up and down all the time. You could lose that money right away. And the other one is buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Always. Never buy a stock when it's going up. Buy it, catch it when it's going down. Timing is everything. I don't care what nobody tell you. This is short term I'm talking about. There's 4 different types of stock investors. I'm talking short term. I'm not talking long term. I'm not talking dividend investing. I'm talking short term. And the last one is, and this is the most important, timing is everything. Remember that. Timing is everything. If you see a stock going up, don't buy it. Wait until it goes down. All stocks goes up and down. They do. It might not go back down that day. It might go down the next day. Catch it when it goes down. You have to catch a stock when it goes down. Now, if you invest in long term, you can stick with that stock, because if there's a lot of professionals out there and analysts realize they know the mathematical part about stocks. That's not my profession. Where stocks is going to keep going up eventually. It's going to go up and down, but it's going to continually to go up. And a lot of people know that, and I don't want to hate on them, because that's another, how do I say it? Another technique. But that's not my technique. My technique is, if you want to get rich quick, it's a lot more too. Not rich quick, that's a wrong terminology. But if you want to make money every day, pretty much, that's what I meant to say. Follow my lead, and I'm going to try to steer you right. I'm going to try to take you inside the screen as a stock market is trading and give you different helpful hints every day. Please bear with my scenery. I'm not rich or nothing like that, but I can make money for you. That's all I can say. Have a nice day. Oh, yes. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, please.